Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, you will see 5 best electric skateboards that are durable, have good mileage, and strong connectivity. Let's get started. Boosted Dual Plus is not only the fastest electric skateboards available on the market, but it is also equipped with the latest technology with 80mm orangutan wheels. It is popular for its excellent quality and long lifespan. And the board offer you maximum features. Its main focus is top speed, which is unbeatable. The mileage of the board is slightly less, 7 miles in the eco mode, and 6 miles in expert mode, which is average. However, you will love the regenerative braking mechanism, and it helps to regain some of the battery energy, and eventually to give you some extra charge. And even if you ever run off the battery, it can be easily pushed with feet like a regular skateboard. It weighs only 15 pounds with a deck length of 27 inches and a width of 10 inches, which is great to be carried around anywhere you want. Since the length is slightly less, it provides excellent maneuverability. What's more impressive is the battery recharge time, which is only 1 hour, and is 4 times less than the conventional motorized boards, which can take 4 times more for a full recharge. Because top speed requires incredible power, the Dual Plus is no exception to this. Its mighty 2000 watts motor can easily climb steep hills, and give you a smooth ride on the toughest terrains. Also, it offers 25% superior incline speed as compared to the top 5 electric skateboards on the market. When you apply the brakes, a major chunk of the energy is restored, and this recharges the battery energy which was used. Ideally, its battery is made to last for 2000 cycles, but it performs better than that. Depending on how you use, its battery can last for up to 5 years of daily charging. Last but not least, its Bluetooth-operated remote control is simple to use. There are LED lights on this remote control that will tell how much range is left, and is useful for night use. Very well designed with an impressive performance, the Boosted Electric is one of the finest boards on the market. The battery life leaves a little bit to be desired, but aside from that I can't find anything wrong with this product. The bamboo deck is comfortable over long distances, climbing hills is a breeze whilst the top speed is so fast you won't even want to get there. A benchmark product for the electric skateboard industry. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Teamgee H5 37 inches electric skateboard. The skateboard is 15mm ultra-thin deck, which minimizes the weight, and it weighs around 14.6 pounds. This is also beneficial in terms of adding flexibility to the board. You will also love its powerful dual motors with a power of 380 watts each, that are integrated in the unit, providing an assurance of the performance you won't be disappointed. And it is capable of running at a maximum speed of up to 22 miles per hour. It has the high-performance battery to back up these dual motors with the sturdy braking system. This is not one of those skateboards that will quickly drain the battery despite the fact that it is powerful. Based on the technical specs from the company, it has a 36-volt lithium-ion battery. On average, it takes 2 hours for the battery to be fully charged. It is equipped with 90mm polyurethane wheels, that distributes gravity to improve ride stability, while also providing excellent grip performance. And provides security when challenging difficult actions. The headlight design of the remote control can be safely driven at night, without any scruples. It has an exceptional construction, and you can expect that it will be able to withstand the test of time. It would be safe to say that it combines both form and function. It has a 10-ply board that is made of Canadian maple, and 1-ply fiberglass with the weight capacity as 200 pounds. It is an electric skateboard with high performance, and ultra-thin to make daily commuting enjoyable. And is perfect for shorter commutes, cruising campus, and quick errands. The link is provided in description for more information or to order. This is Volkl V1 electric skateboard cruiser, and offers great range and speed. When you fully charge the battery, the maximum range is up to 10 miles with a maximum speed of 13 miles per hour. The power of this skateboard comes from its 4.4 ampere-hour lithium battery, that will be fully charged within 2 hours. Its construction is strong and durable with 7 layers of maple wood. Which means, it is capable of supporting a maximum weight of 200 pounds. Even the wheels are made using innovative materials for excellent bounce and stability. You can expect that you will safely have a smooth ride in a variety of terrains. The skateboard comes with a 350-watt hub motor, which is also known for being powerful. The skateboard is easy to ride even on hills, and will make it easy to achieve its top speed. It also has regenerative braking system, which allows the range to be extended during some conditions. It has rider-friendly wireless remote with cutout for your hand, and gives you a firm grip while navigating your way of joy, or commuting your way to work, which allows you to smoothly switch between 3 speed modes at the convenience of your fingertips. The VOKUL V1 is a great board for beginners or those who just want a more leisurely electric skateboard experience. It won't win any speed competitions, but it gets the job done. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. The RazorX Cruiser electric skateboard is the best choice for kids over 9 years old for a not very high price. This electric skateboard is powered by a 125-watt motor, which suits its price. With such motor power, it can safely run at a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour. The battery on the other hand will be able to run continuously for up to 40 minutes, when it is fully charged. In contrast, the more powerful models have a continuous runtime of up to 2 hours. The deck has a length of 29.7 inches, which is made using 5-ply maple. There is no bamboo that is integrated into the deck, which is why the flexibility is not that good. Despite this, you can expect that it is still durable, and equipped with high-grip urethane wheels. In almost any type of terrain, you can expect that it will have a strong grip, which will minimize the risks of suffering from an accident. Based on the specifications from the manufacturer, this is recommended for those who are 9 years old and above, and the maximum weight capacity is 220 pounds. Although the RazorX Cruiser is not nearly as powerful as the boosted Stealth electric skateboard, but for kids, it is one of the best. If you are looking for a non-scary electric skateboard that your kid can practice on, then the RazorX Cruiser is the one for you. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. The Koowheel D3M 2nd Gen is another great electric skateboard with an impressive 24.8 miles per hour limit. Although they aren't the most well-known brand on the market, they are continuing to provide genuine reliable electric skateboards. Its remote has a button that lets the rider switch between forwarding and backward movement. The Koowheel D3M has a beautiful design that is unique and elegant in every aspect. The deck is made of 7-ply Canadian maple wood, giving it the flexibility to carve as you cruise along and turn in tight spaces. Not many boards offer the option of swapping batteries. The Koowheel D3M comes with two 36V 5500 mAh lithium batteries that can be swapped quickly to give the maximum mileage. This board can scale hills inclined at around gradient of 20%. Unlike other skateboards on which you will have to replace wheels and motor when wheels wear out, but the Koowheel D3M is different, because it employs a design that allows the 97mm wheels to be detached from the motors. The tires are made of polyurethane, which means the quality of these tires is exceptional, and the experience even on rough surfaces is that of a smooth ride. The board weighs 7.7 kilograms and measures 920 mm by 240 mm, and is exceptionally easy to carry like a backpack and can fit in a car's trunk. The Koowheel D3M is an evolving skateboard that will help you in your daily commute with impressive performance. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is the end of the video. Please like and share if you find this video useful, and press the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you for watching.